Hello, good evening. My name is Umair. For last 20 months, I will already work in e-commerce field. Right now, I will zero spend on the marketing budget, but my sale is around about 70,000 dirham per month. I need for you for the market experience. You know, you have already many years in this
So
market.
what's your project? I didn't hear.
We are selling pet foods.
You're selling pet food.
Pet foods.
Online, physical?
Online. We
Online.
sell online like Amazon.
And how much
No.
did you say revenue is?
70,000 dirham per month without any promotion. With zero promotion.
Without any promotion?
Yes, with zero promotion.
Do you have guns? You go to people
No.
and tell them buy?
No. I need to make 5 millions or in next 1 year. That's why I will here to come to join.
You're looking for what?
For your experience.
For my experience?
Yes.
Or my social media following? Or my money?
Your
All of
experience, boss.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the profit margins on your product?
It's 35%.
35%?
Yes.
And you're in profit or you're still in?
No, I'm in profit right now.
And where are you based here?
Right way is in Garut.
Okay. Have you spoken with any of my team members?
No, not right
Okay,
now.
so my e-commerce team can speak with you. We can discuss how we can work together, and yeah. So that's an example for everyone. Gentleman straight away says 70,000 we're making. We haven't done any social media marketing or generally marketing. So that tells me if I start marketing this business, I can make a lot of money straight away. And it's a successful formula already. So it's easier for me and my team will know straight away, okay, that's the guy we need to work with. So same way, if you can explain your businesses or whatever you're doing, it's easier for us to work out how we can work. And obviously, all of the guys sitting here, they can work with each other as well. Okay, thank you very much.